Hello, my name is Shivani Singh and I live in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I have done diploma in electronics from Government Girls Polytechnic, Lucknow in year 2008. After that, I completed my BTech in computer science from Lovely Professional University in 2011. Later on, I completed my MBA in finance and IB from the same university in year 2013. Currently, I am doing MTech from Rajasthan Technical University in software engineering. Meanwhile, searching for a job, I came to know about Evision's Technoserve Private Limited and its OJT program. After finding out this, Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultancy company, and I decided to join the internship program. After joining, I found that I got some real work exposure and experience in core technologies like CCNA routing and switching, like Windows administration, Linux administration, cybersecurity, cloud computing, virtualizations, etc. There are different trainers for the different modules like Roshan sir, Vibhusit sir, Tarun sir. They all help us to understand and uh, explain each and every concepts very well. In Windows administration module, I learned different administrative tools like task scheduler, event viewer, local users, groups, device manager, disk management, defragmentation, disk cleanup, and about the Windows deployment services. Then I also learned about how to take Windows operating system backup and using its recovery. Then also learn how to secure the data using BitLocker encryption and learn how to secure data in BitLocker encryption. Also learn about the Windows Server 2012 R2 and workgroup environment, about the Active Directory domain services, that is ADDS, and also about the domain controller. And I learned to create new users, process of domain joining, the DHCP configuration, and then how to install OS in the domain network through Windows Deployment Services, that is WDS. I also learned about the mailing services, MS Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, about the different mailing protocols, IMAP or SMTP or POP3. I also learned manual and automatic mail configuration. I learned about how to take remote access through RDP. In CCNA module, I learned many good practicals and many theoretical concepts such as basics of networking, basics of IP addressing that are used in networking, then static and dynamic routing configuration, EIGRP, IRP, OSPF, and also about the DHCP and configuration. Then I learned about how to take remote router through cable as well as telnet and SSL. Then I learned about subnetting concept, different types of VLAN technologies, PAP, CHAP, authentication, frame relay, cloud, also about its configuration. Then I learned about access control list and types and about the NAT types, that is network address translation. Then I learned about switching concepts, VLAN, inter VLAN routing, trunk encapsulation protocols, spanning tree protocols, spanning dynamic trunk protocols, default routing, wireless, and many more things I learned from this internship. During this internship, I learned about troubleshooting techniques for issues like BSOD, that is black screen of death, driver issues, system hanging issues, incoming and outgoing mail sending issues, that and also about the PST backup and how to restore the PST and how to create the new PST also. And I think every practical was equivalent and equal to the IT company experience. Now I feel that I am 100% confident in each and every practicals of CCNA and Windows administration. During the internship module, after every weekend, there was a mock interview or PPT presentation. About 4 or 5 interviews I have attained, and I got the feedback from my trainers. According to their feedback, I tried to improve my skills and I tried to improve where I am lacking behind. I keep doing efforts and practicals and and clearing my concepts to understand the whole scenario in a better way, and it helps me to understanding all the things in a better way. Confident to show my skills and knowledge in the real time interview. I can prove myself the different skills of Windows administration, CCNA, routing, switching, Linux, which I gained during the internship in the real scenario, in the real interview, as well as in the real time issues after joining any organization. I am ready to face real time interview and I am confident that I will crack the interview in my first attempt. And I assure you that I will be proven a asset for the company which I joined, and I will give my contribution to my 100% in the growth opportunities of that company. Thank you.